OpenAI have announced a new $100 a month plan.
Command AI.
Which joins their lineup under the Pro subscription. So you can go into Pro here. You can do 5x or 20x. So it's really nice now that they've got this middle point between the $200 a month and the $15 a month. This was something that's like, well, I don't want to pay 200, but I'm chewing through my usage under this plan, which is the one I've got. So 5 times more usage than Plus, and everything you've come to expect, really. So just increase usage, which I just think that $100 is a bit of a sweet spot. Still a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but these are good models, and it suits my budget. 100. I don't need 200. Not even, well, maybe Claude, but not even really 200. I don't think. So they're basically celebrating 3 million weekly Codex users, 5 times growth in 3 months, and that's 70% month-on-month growth, which they gave. The only reason why I'm using it is because they gave double usage, and then the only reason why I'm using it a second month is because I've got a free month given to me. Because I attended an event or didn't attend an event. So I don't think their usage is as well celebrated as they think it is. To celebrate 3 million weekly Codex users, we are resetting usage limits. We will do this every million users up to 10 million. Happy building. So yeah, but I think this 3 million has got to do with the fact that they've been giving away tokens, which we'll get into. Once my usage is done, I'm out. Like, I just like Claude. I do actually like having both, to be fair. I do like having both, but unless I'm building heavy, which I'm not doing like heavy stuff all of the time. I'm building my own tools. I'm recording videos, doing video work and whatever. Like, coding is probably 50% of what I do. So I'm not heavy. However, when I am heavy, I chew through all of my usage. I'm using up my Codex, and I'm going back to Claude, using my Codex, going into So either way, I'm just leveraging free usage right now. So I don't necessarily think it's anything else other than free usage or free tokens that's meant they've got such an uptick in users. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.